Alright, good morning. How's everyone doing? And I hope everyone have been having a good trading since I've been posting online. And I didn't post because last month was really rough and it wasn't too clean. Price was really messy. Like towards the half ending of last month was really bad. So that's why I wasn't posting and I didn't think I was going to be able to give you guys any valuable um, trades or trade ideas or anything. But yeah, I'm back now and I'll be posting every time I have a new idea. So all right, so well next time I'll just let you guys know if there's something if I can't post or the market condition is not good. I'll make sure you guys know it. All right, so now that I'm back, let's get right into the video and let me try and explain to you guys what I'm looking at today. So let's go to the weekly. Today is Monday. Uh, okay, so on the weekly, remember I was talking about price taking out this high and potentially going to take out this high also. So we got this high taken out, and I was saying I prefer to see price take out this high and potentially maybe go and take out these equal highs right here. Because this is a liquidity point engineered and we want to see price sweep it before we go lower. Because we are still looking for lower prices until we get any other signs telling us prices reversing. We are just going to follow the idea of bearishness, overall bearishness. So right now I'm looking at this, and also I should be looking at this other block right here. I don't really like marking these as other block because the ranges are very small, and price could refer to another other block, a bigger range. But this is the closest one we can get, so we focus on this one. Usually, I like to mark the wicks. The candle looks like this. I marked that out because this whole area is a range and price could just come back into it. But now I'm not marking it because we see price coming back into this area multiple times. So it's most likely this place is not going to hold because it's weaker. The the more price gets back to the reference points, the much more weaker it gets. So yeah, let's go to the daily. And on the daily, as we can see, we had a volume imbalance failed here. Price filled this volume imbalance and then started rejecting from that area. As you can see here, we do see this as price came into the volume imbalance. Let me open that up for you guys. Okay, price went into the volume imbalance, rejected, and then now it's dropping. So what I'm looking at right now is I'm looking at this for a first point. I'm looking at this daily order block. So this daily order block is one thing I'm looking at, and also I prefer to see price come into this order block. Doesn't necessarily have to come into this area because once price comes down and close below or close at this level, of 104.107, if price goes below there, then price is balanced because of this week. So price balances out. So I don't really care to see price to reach this area because no matter what happens, I'll be looking to see. I mean, price is going to give me another idea of how to counter it. So I'll be looking at for now. I'll be looking at this order block, and I want to see a return into the order block for now, and then we drop down to the 4 hour and we do see this. We do see buy side liquidity taken here. We see a buy side liquidity taken here, and from this buy side liquidity, we did have the last down candle, we had another last down candle, but for now, we'll be focusing on this wick because price left a huge wick here, and you want to see what price is going to do at this area. And also, we do see this 4 hour fair value gap that I could see price getting into this area and also returning. So this is also another area to look for when you're looking into price. So we are going to be looking to see if price rejects from this area or rejects from the daily order block. So we first want to see price deliver low, and we do know price is bearish from here because we do see this order block, and below the 50%, we see price has broken through it, went through it, destroyed it. And now we don't think price is going to reject it. If price is going to reject, it has to reject from a reference point, which is this fair value gap, and we do see this order block, the daily order block here. So if price is going to reject, it has to reject from these two areas, because price can't just reject from anywhere. It has to reject from a reference point. So we'll be looking at the reference point, and we'll be looking at first we need to see what price does here before we can participate in price. So for now, this is all I have, and I hope you guys get something. I just left something out. Yeah. So here. Okay. So we did have this buy side liquidity taken. We got a buy side liquidity taken here. So making this block, breaker block. So you're marking this, and you want to see if price doesn't go straight for these, then I want to see price come back into this breaker. I don't want to see it necessarily go into this volume imbalance, but it does. If it does, no problem. If I want to see price go into the breaker, then rejects going lower to our reference points. So this is what I'm looking at right now, and yeah, that'll be all. I hope you guys got value from this. So have a good trading, guys, and enjoy.